Hello students, welcome to a new session. We are continuing with our workbook. Today we are going to do the page number 54. See, on this page, the first question is, the numbers in column A and C are the factors of the numbers in column B. Match the following. Is the match the following? So you can do in your workbook. All of you be ready with your workbook. In column A, the numbers given are 2, 3, 4 and 5. And in column C, the numbers are 18, 14, 12 and 16. Now what we have to do is to match a number from column A with a number from column C so that the product is given in column B. We will try with the 2. First 2. 2 we will multiply by 18. 2 into 18 is 36. 18 2s are 36. And 36 is not given anywhere in column B. So that pair we cannot take. Then now 2 I am going to multiply by the next number in column C, that is 14. 14 2s are 28. So this 28 is given in column B. That means 2 and 14 are the factors of 28. So we can match the numbers. 2 and 14. They are the factors of 28. Okay. Now we don't have to take it 2. And also from column C, we don't have to take a 14. Now from column A, we will take a 3. 3 into 18. 18 3s are 54. That is given in column B. So that will make the next pair. 3 and 18. These are the factors of 54. Now we will not be considering 18 and 14. These two numbers already we have matched them now. Now next number in column A is 4. 4 into 12. 12 4s are 48. It is not given in column B. So 4 I am going to multiply by 16. 4 into 16, 64. Yes, 64 is given in column B. So that we can make a pair. 4 and 16 are the factors of 64. Now only one number is left in column A and C, that is 5 and 12. 12 5s are 60. That is also given in column B. So that will form the last pair. This way we can match each number in column A with a number in column C so that the product is getting in column B. So here I have given with the different colors so that you will not have any confusion. 2 and 14 are the factors of 28. Now 3 and 18 are the factors of 54. 4 and 16 are the factors of 64. And 5 and 12 are the factors of 60. Okay children. Now the next question is, find the highest common factor of the following numbers. And this question, two numbers are given. We have to find the factors of both the numbers and it involves many steps. So you have to do in the notebook only. From this question onwards, whatever portions are left in the workbook, all that we are going to do in the notebook only. Okay. So this question you are going to do in notebook. And you have already learned about how to write the factors, how to find out the factors. And one suggestion what I have to give is to learn the table up to 20. I hope that you all are knowing the table up to 10. But now you are in 5th standard, and if you know the table up to 20, this work of finding factors and prime factorization all will be very easy for you. So every day you will learn one new table, and within 10 days itself you will be able to complete the table up to 20. Okay children, I hope you will learn fast. Okay, the first number is 16. You know 1 is the factor of every number. 1 is the smallest factor of any number. So we can first write as 1 into 16 will make a 16. Now you look at the number 16. Is it odd or even? It is an even number. How to find out the given number is odd or even? By looking at the unit digit. If the unit digit of the number is 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, the number will be even. And if the unit digit is 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, it will be an odd number. Here in 16, the unit digit is 6. So it is an even number. And in all even numbers, 2 will be a factor. 2 is a factor of all the even numbers. So 2 into 8 makes 16. 16 is a simple number. So with the help of the table itself, you will be able to find out the factors. 2 into 8. Now, 16 is not coming in 3's table and it comes again in 4's table. 4, 4, 16. So the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. And we don't have to repeat the number. Any factor if repeating 2 times, we will be mentioning only 1 time. Okay. And for finding the factors also, see, you start from the top, come to bottom. Again, after reaching the bottom, again you move up in the form of U. U shape you take, then you will be able to arrange the numbers in the ascending order. You will be able to arrange the factors in the ascending order. See, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 are the factors of 16. Same way we will find out the factors of 60 also. 1 into 60. Now 60 is odd or even? It is even number because unit digit is 0. So if it is even number, 2 will be a factor. And 60 with the help of the table, you will not be able to find out. So you divide 60 by 2. And when we divide 60 by 2, we will get 30 as the quotient. So 2 into 30 will make a 60. Now, next you will try by 3. 60 divided by 3. Then you will get a 3 into 20. And there is an easy method to find out whether the given number is divisible by 3 or not. What is that? We will sum up the digit of the number. 60, which are the digit? 6 and 0. And 6 plus 0 will give you 6, which is a multiple of 3. So, when you sum up the digit of the given number, if the sum is a multiple of 3, then the given number will be divisible by 3. Here 6 plus 0 is 6, which is a multiple of 3. So 3 will be a factor of 60. And on dividing 60 by 3, you will get a 20 as the quotient. So 3 into 20 makes 60. Now we will try by 4. 4 into 15 will make 60. This also you have to divide and see if you are not knowing the table of 15. We know the table of 15 easily, you can write 4 into 15, 60. Okay, that will I told. You should learn the table up to 20. Now, the unit digit of a number is 0 or 5. Then the number will be divisible by 5. That means 5 will be a factor of the number if the unit digit of the given number is 0 or 5. Here in 60, what is the unit digit? 0. That means 5 will be a factor of 60. On dividing 60 by 5, you will get a 12 as the quotient. It means 5 into 12 will make a 60. Now 6 tens are 60, that you know. Now 7, 8 and 9, they are not coming as the factor of 60. That means in the table of 7, 8 or 9, 60 is not coming. That means 7, 8 and 9 are not the factor of 60. Now 10 is a factor of 60. 10, 6 are 60. That we have already written here. 6 into 10 is equal to 10 into 6. We don't have to repeat now. Now we can write down the factors of 60. Factors of 60 are, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, 60. These are the factors of 60. Now, what we have to do is to find out the highest common factor. Highest common factor, in short, we can say HCF. For that, we have to find out the common factors. which are the factors that is coming in common in both the numbers? The factors of both the numbers, 1 is there in both, 2 is the factor of both the numbers, then 4 is a factor of both a 16 and a 60. That means the common factors are 1, 2 and 4. Now, among these common factors, which is the greatest factor? That is HCF. So 1, 2 and 4, among these numbers, the greatest number is 4. So the HCF of 16 and 60 is 4. Children, I hope you understood it. Now we will see the next question. The next question is 25 and 65. First we will consider 25. As usual, 1 is a factor. 1 into 25 is 25. Then it is not an even number. 25 is an odd number. Unit digit is 5, so it is an odd number. Odd number means 2 will not be a factor, 4 will not be a factor, 6 will not be a factor. 2, 4, 6 and all even numbers that you have to check for only the even numbers only. So here 25 is odd, so you don't have to check for 2. Then we will check whether 3 is a factor or not. In 25, what are the digits? 2 and 5. 2 plus 5 is 7, which is not a multiple of 3. So 3 will not be a factor, right? Then 4 also will not be factor. Now 5. 5 5s are 25. So factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. Only 3 factors are there. 1, 5 and 25. Now we will see 65. 65, 1 into 65. Then here also, as it is an odd number, 2 is not a factor. Sum of the digit is 6 plus 5, 11, which is not the multiple of 3. So 3 is not a factor. Again, as it is odd, 4 will not be a factor. Now the unit digit is 5. So it will be divisible by 5 and 5 will be a factor. And 13 5s are 65. So 5 into 13 make 65. So the factors of 65 are 1, 5, 13 and 65. See this take 1, 5, 13, 65. Now, which are the common factors? 1 is a factor in both 25 and 65 and also 5 is common in both. The most common factors are 1 and 5. And among the common factors, the greatest one is 5. So the HCF, the highest common factor is 5. Okay, children. Now the next question is 48 and 120. These both are the numbers having many factors. First we will think of 48. 48, 1 into 48 is 48. Now 48 is even number, right? The 8 is in the unit digit which is even, so 48 is an even number. So 2 will be a factor and divide 48 by 2. And on dividing 48 by 2, you will get 24 as the quotient. So 2 into 24 will make a 48. And children, remember, when you divide a number by another number, if the remainder is 0, then only it will become a factor. If any number other than 0, if we get as the remainder, then it will not be a factor. And we can completely divide 48 by 2. So 2 will be a factor. Now, 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12, which is a multiple of 3. That means 3 is a factor of 48. And you divide 48 by 3, you will get a 3 into 16 makes 48. And same way, 48 is there in the 4's table also, 4 into 12. 4 12s are 48. So 4 is the factor. Then here the unit digit is 8, which is neither 0 nor 5. It is not 5 or 0. So 5 will not be a factor. Now the next number is 6. 6 8s are 48. Now 7 is not a factor of 48. Now again 8 is a factor. 8 6 are 48. The numbers now started reversing. Now we don't have to write again more tables. 6 8 and 8 6 both are equal only. So the factors of 48 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. Okay, that I have mentioned here. Now we will consider the next number 120. In 120 also all the numbers, much bigger it is, 1 will be a factor. 1 is the factor of every number. So 1 into 120. Now is even number, so we can divide by 2. And on dividing 120 by 2, we will get a 60 as the quotient. So 2 into 60 makes 120. And also remember, 120, the last digit, the unit digit is 0. If you are avoiding 0, the remaining number is 12. So what are the factors of 12? All will be there in the factors of 120 also. 2 6 are 12. So 2 into 60 makes 120. Same way, 3 4s are 12. So 3 into 40 gives 120. Now 4 3s are 12. So 4 into 30. Now 120, the unit digit is 0. That means 5 will be a factor. And on dividing 120 by 5, we will get the quotient 24. That is 5 into 24 gives 120. Now 6 2s are 12. So 6 into 20 gives 120. Now 7 is not a factor of 120. 8. Divide 120 by 8. You will get it 15 times. So 8 into 15 gives 120. 9 is not a factor. Then 10 will be a factor of 120. 10 12s are 120. Now again 120 comes in the table of 12. 12 10s are 120. The table started reversing means we can stop now. Now the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 24, 30, 40, 60 and 120. Many factors are there. Now we will find out the common factors. Which are common factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. This many common factors are here. Now among these numbers, which is the greatest factor? That is 24. That means highest common factor or HCF of 48 and 120 is 24. Now we will consider the next question. 3 numbers are given. 144, 180 and 192. 1 into 144. Then is even number 144. The unit digit is 4. That means it is even number. So 2 will be a factor. 2 into 72 gives 144. Now for the divisibility by 3, we will find the sum of the digit. 1 plus 4 plus 4. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. That means 3 will be a factor of 144. You divide 144 by 3, you will get 48. So 3 into 48. Again, 144 can be divisible by 4 also. You divide 144 by 4 and you will get 36 as the quotient. So 4 into 36. Again, we don't have to check by 5 because the unit digit is not 0 or 5. Now we will divide by 6. On dividing 144 by 6, you will get a 24 as the quotient and remainder will be 0, means we will be able to divide 144 by 6 completely. So 6 into 24. Now 8. 144 comes in the table of 8. 8 into 18. 8 into 18 gives 144. Again, it is coming in the table of 12. 12 12s are 144. So it has many factors. Factors I am showing in the next slide as there is no place here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12. We don't have to repeat the same number again. So 12 only write one time. 18, 24, 36, 48, 72 and 144 are the factors of 144. Now we will take the next number 180. 1 into 180. Now is even number. So 2 will be a factor. 2 into 90 gives 180. Otherwise, as I told previously, for the previous question, 0 avoid, then what is the number formed? 18. And what are the factors of 18? All will be the factors of 180 also. So you know 2 9s are 18. So 2 into 90 makes 180. Same way you know 3 6s are 18. So 3 into 60. 3 into 60 give 180. Now 180 comes in the table of 4 also. So divide 180 by 4. You will get 4 into 45. Again, the unit unit is 0. So 5 will be a factor. Divide 180 by 5. You will get a 36. So 5 into 36. Now 18 is coming in the table of 6. 6 3s are 18. So 6 into 30 give 180. Again it comes in the table of 9. 9 2s are 18. So 9 into 20 gives 180. 9 2s are 18. So 9 into 20, 180. Now 8, 10, 18. 10 into 18 gives 180. And 180 is also there in the table of 12. 12 into 15. 12 into 15 gives 180. So the factors of 180 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 12, now upward. 15, 18, 20, 30, 36, 45, 60, 90 and 180. So many factors. Now we will consider the last number 192. First 1 into 192. Then it is even number. We will divide by 2 and we will get it 2 into 96. Now sum of the digit is 1 plus 9 plus 2. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. This 3 is a factor. Divide by 3, we will get 3 into 64. Now 4 is also a factor. Divide by 4 and we will get 4 into 48. On dividing 192 by 6, we will get a 6 into 32. And here we don't have to check by 5 because the unit digit is not 0 or 5. Okay. And on dividing 192 by 6, we will get a 6 into 32. And then by 8, 8 into 24 and 12 into 16. So the factors of 192 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 32, 48, 64, 96 and 192. And I have shown the factors in the next slide. See, factors of 144, factors of 180, factors of 192. Now we will see which are the common factors. Common factors are 1, then 2, 3, 4, yes, 4. Now 6 is there. 6 is there in all three numbers. 6. And then after it comes 12. 12 is here in 144, in 180, and also in 192. So these are the common factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And among these, the greatest factor is 12. So 12 is the HCF for 144, 180, and 192. Now students, some more questions of the same type are there that we will discuss in the next video. And this all you have to write in the notebook. Remember this question onwards. Question number 12 onwards, all the questions you have to do in the notebook. Okay, bye.